Ah, what a perfect day for napping. Oh no, not again.
Hey, Carly, this weather is making me feel restless. Let's go on an adventure.
I don't know, Charlie. It's so hot out there.
Exactly. We need to find a way to cool down. How about a trip to the lake?
The lake. Now that's an idea. We can relax by the water and enjoy the cool breeze. But wait, wouldn't it be even more fun to be on the water? Like in a boat?
A boat? Brilliant, Carly. We can explore the whole lake. But first things first, safety. We need a boat that's safe and stable, especially for beginners like us.
Maybe a big comfy raft?
Not exactly stable, Carly. How about a kayak? I hear those are perfect for paddling around.
A kayak. What's that?
Let's see. A kayak is a small boat you paddle with a double-bladed oar.
Double-bladed oar? Sounds complicated.
Don't worry, Carly. We can learn together. But more importantly, we'll need to know how to swim in case we fall in.
Swim? In the water?
Safety first, remember? Maybe we can take some swimming lessons before our big boat adventure.
Swimming lessons? But I don't want to get wet.
I know. But wouldn't you feel better knowing you can swim if something happens?
Fine, but I'm not happy about it.
Don't worry, Carly. We can learn the kiddie paddle instead of the boring doggy paddle. Sounds much more fun, right? Yep.
The kiddie paddle?
It'll be just like how cats paddle their paws in water.
A kiddie paddle. Now that sounds perfectly safe and adorable.
Look at us, Carly. We're on a real boat.
Wow, the water feels cool and refreshing. Maybe being on a boat isn't so bad after all.
See? Safety first, then fun. Now let's enjoy the beautiful scenery.
This is perfect, Charlie. Thanks for the awesome adventure.
Anytime, Carly. Next time, maybe we can even try fishing.